Welcome to my video, guys. I hope you enjoy my Herbert impressions. Hey there, Chris. That's mighty fine muscly forearm you got there. Why don't you hand me the paper so I don't need to use my grabber? Got a nice tip for you here in my pocket. Why don't you reach on in and fish it out for yourself? You like popsicles? Well, you need to come on to the cellar. Got a whole freezer full of popsicles. Get your fat ass back here. Well, gosh, we got ourselves a new paper boy. Holy moly, it must be my birthday. Stop sassing me, boy, or I'll slap you in the penis. I know what boys like, I know what guys want. I know what boys like me. Sweet Jesus. How do you feel about those computer websites that put the blue square on the home of a sex offender? You don't want to hurt yourself dancing. You better stretch out the creamy hamstrings. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. Spread that butter with the force. Now get the hell out of here. Now, could you imagine if I was like that? Luke, use the force. Luke, use the force. And don't tell anybody, or we'll get in trouble. I had the time of my life, and now when I see you, did he say strap in or strap on? Thanks for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did.
Thanks, guys. Leave some comments, tell me what you think.